Welcome to this training video on Interpret SELDM, the post-processor for the Stochastic Empirical Loading and Dilution model SELDM. This video and the associated software were prepared by the U.S. Geological Survey in cooperation with the Federal Highway Administration. In this video, we'll talk about calculating the average annual yield, which is the load per unit area, and other annual values for all water quality constituents from all the analyses in a selected SELDM project. Once a project is selected, the first step is to select the type of output interpretation to do from the combo box. In this example, we will select the annual highway yield item. Click the Interpret Output button to run the analysis. The program calculates the statistics almost instantly, and the form opens with the calculated values in the text box. Clicking the text box will copy the results to the clipboard. The tab-delimited output may be pasted into a spreadsheet, word processor, or text editor for future use. The program will launch a message box to confirm that the tab-delimited text was copied. You also may save the tab-delimited results in a text file. The program uses a standard Save File dialog form. To close this form, click the Return to the Main Menu button. This concludes our video for calculating long-term annual yields with the Interpret SELDM program.